Hi. Thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Edifier has introduced the Lolli Pro 2 truly wireless noise-cancelling earbuds for just $53. It's quite a steal compared to original Apple earbuds. The new Lolli Pro 2 come with substantial improvements from its previous iteration, the Lolli Pro. It has a headphone location search function that helps you locate your earbuds through the app in case you misplaced it. In terms of key specifications and build quality of this new earbud, the Lolli Pro 2 has a coaxial dual dynamic coil consisting of a 6mm titanium-plated dynamic coil, and a 10mm composite dynamic coil for enhanced audio quality. This is supported by LDAC audio decoding compatibility and high-res wireless gold standard certification. The Lolli Pro 2 is capable of noise reduction levels up to -45 decibels, better than previous models. The noise reduction bandwidths of the new headphones are 100% higher than that of the previous generation of Edifier headphones. In addition, there is a 3-mic AI call noise reduction architecture, together with anti-wind noise technology to improve audio fidelity and clarity. Lolli Pro 2 has an IP54 waterproof and dustproof rating. Not the strongest rating, but it should be able to handle light sweat. The Lolli Pro 2 has a 6-hour battery life, and with the charging case, this extends to 24 hours. The headphones feature smart wearing detection, timing shutdowns, control settings, and other cool functions. About connectivity, the earbud supports Bluetooth 5.3 with a minimum delay of 0.08 seconds. This earbud is now on sale in China at a starting price of 379 yuan or 53 American dollars. You can check it out on AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch our other videos.